चखले कोई प्रभु प्रेम रस जो दूजो रस ना भाई। प्रेम के सागर को जो छूले परमानंद वो पाए। प्यार तुम्हारा इतना मीठा दिल को मेरे लुभाए। ऐसी प्रीत हमने पहले तो देखी नहीं। तेरे प्यार की कोई सीमा नहीं। पाके तुमको बाबा हमने पाया ये जग सारा। तू ही मेरा साथी है, तू ही मेरा सहारा। जीवन के हर पल में संग संग रहना यूं ही। तेरे प्यार की कोई सीमा नहीं। तेरे प्यार की कोई सीमा नहीं। मेरे प्यारे बाबा तुम बिन जीना नहीं। तेरे प्यार की कोई सीमा नहीं।
Om Shanti. Good morning. Today we shall be revising the Murli dated 15th December 2005. Title of the Murli is In the New Year, Bring the Form of Love and Cooperation onto the stage. Give each one the gift of virtue and powers. Today, God the Father is seeing his children everywhere who have a right to God's love. Only a handful out of multi-millions in the world receive this love from God. This godly love is altruistic love because only God, the Supreme Soul, is incorporeal and egoless, Nirakari or Nirahankari. Because human souls are bodily beings, they definitely have one selfish motive or another. Only God, the Father, can give his God's love is the special basis of Brahmin life. It is the donation of love of this Brahmin life. If the experience of God's love is lacking in Brahmin life, then that life without love is not enjoyable. It becomes a dry life. It is God's love that is constantly with you in life and remains cooperative with you as your companion at all times. Where there is love and company, everything becomes very easy and simple. There is not the experience of having to labor. You have this experience, do you not? जहां मोहब्बत है वहां मेहनत नहीं होती. Those who have God's love cannot be attracted by any person or thing, because God's attraction and God's love gives such an experience of love that you always remain merged in love. People have understood this to be being merged in God. One does not merge in God, but one remains merged in God's love. Babdada is seeing the children from everywhere. Everyone loves God, but one type are the lovely children, and the other type are the children who are merged in love. So let's read further what Baba means by these two types of children. So ask yourself, all are lovely, but to what extent do you remain merged in love? The sign of children who are merged in love is that they constantly and easily follow God's instructions. They are obedient in following those instructions and have surrendered their body consciousness, because it is not difficult to surrender yourself where there is love. The first instruction is, may you be yogi and may you be holy, pure. Because the Father has love for you children, he cannot bear to see you children laboring. For he knows that you have labored a lot for 63 births. Now, this Alokik birth is to become free from labor and to enjoy the pleasure of supersensuous happiness. So, are you celebrating with pleasure, or are you having to labor? When there is love, it does not feel like labor to follow instructions. If you have to labor, it means there is a percentage of love lacking. Somewhere or other, there is one type of leakage or another. So let's read further what leakages Baba is talking here about. He says there are two types of leakages. Leakage of two things makes you labor. The first leakage is attraction to the old world, and this includes relationships and also material things. The second leakage is attraction to old sanskars. This old world and old sanskars attract you towards themselves. So there is then a percentage in love of God. Check yourself. Am I free from these two types of leakages? Just remember, what are the eternal and original sanskars of you, the soul? And what are the sanskars of this Brahman life at the end? You have elevated sanskars eternally in the beginning and also now at the end. Those old sanskars are of the middle period, not eternal, not of the beginning, and not of the end. However, what is the aim of all of you? Ask any child, and you only get the one response. My aim is to become equal to the Father. It is this, is it not? If it is, then raise your hand. Are you sure this is your aim? Or does it change in between? The Father asks you, children, what are the sanskars that are equal in both Bap And Dada, the father has always been generous hearted towards every child. He has always been cooperative with every soul in giving them love and regard. So, do you experience yourself to be cooperative with every soul in the same way? Not that you cooperate when they cooperate, or that you give love when they are loving. No, just as Father Brahma was cooperative and loving with every child, in the same way, always be loving, cooperative with everyone. This is called being equal. So we'll reread this again. Just as Father Brahma was cooperative and loving with every child, in the same way, always be loving and cooperative with everyone. This is called being equal. If children have to labor in transforming their sanskars, what is the reason for that? Father Brahma paid attention to himself, but he did not labor. The reason for laboring in the transformation of sanskars is that although you have become lovely, you do not remain merged in love. That is what Baba was initially speaking about in the Murli, what it means to become lovely children and to remain merged in love. Babdada considers every child to be a lovely child. He knows every child to be this. He knows every child's horoscope, and yet, what does he say? The child is lovely, प्यारे बच्चे, मीठे बच्चे. Babdada always gives every child the same study, the same sustenance, and the same blessing. Even though Babdada knows that that child is the last number, he does not keep any child's defect or weakness even in his thoughts. Babdada always sees them with a vision and attitude that they are lovely, long lost, and now found beloved children, very sweet children, because he knows that it is only through this attitude and elevated vision that weak ones will become Mahavirs. In the same way, through your elevated attitude, good wishes, and pure feelings, you can transform anyone. Since you have issued a challenge that you will definitely also transform the elements of nature, are you not able to transform souls? You become conquerors of matter. So, with the elevated feeling of soul consciousness and with a desire for receiving benefit, are you not able to transform souls? Now, the new year is about to begin, is it not? So, in the new year, within all of you in the unlimited Brahmin family, with your good wishes and elevated feelings, each one of you has to help one another to transform. Further, he says, what is the method through which we can do it? Let's read what he says. Even if someone is weak and you know that that one has a particular weakness in his sanskars, just help with your love and power of cooperation. Give the hand of cooperation to one another. The scene of handshaking with cooperation will become such that it will be as though you are putting your hand in the other one's hand, that you are uniting in cooperation, and a rosary will then be prepared. Do not give teachings, but give loving cooperation. Do not become detached. Do not step away, but be a support, because your memorial is a rosary of victory. Do not become detached. Do not step away, but be a support, because your memorial is the rosary of victory. Each bead is a cooperative companion of the other beads, for this is why the image of the rosary has been created. Everyone is asking Bab Dada what they have to do in the new year. You have carried out many programs of giving the message. You are doing that and will continue to do that. Now, bring the love and cooperation of the message carriers onto the stage. Be a great donor. Cooperate with your virtues and make others the same with your virtues. In fact, they are God's virtues, but you have made them yours. With the power of those virtues, remove their weaknesses. Are you able to do this? Are you able to do it? Or is it difficult? Teachers speak. Are you able to do this? Are you able to do this? Or is it that you definitely have to do it? You definitely have to do it. No one should remain weak as with weaknesses. So Baba is telling no one should remain weak with their weaknesses. Why? Because you are all the lucky handful out of multi-millions. Are you not? Even if it is the last bead, it is of a handful out of multi-millions. Your title is a Master Almighty Authority. So, what is the duty of those who are Almighty authorities? To give and receive love. Give and take between you the virtues that you have received from the Father. Give this gift of cooperation to one another. In the new year, people give one another gifts. Do they not? So this year, give one another the gift of virtues. Keep benevolent feelings, and then, just as you give a message through lectures and words, in the same way, with your benevolent feelings, benevolent attitude, and benevolent atmosphere, give this gift of virtues and gift of powers. To give cooperation to weak ones is to give a gift at the right time. Do not make those who have fallen fall even further. Let's underline this. Do not make those who have fallen fall even further. Lift them up. Lift them higher. Not that this one is like this and that one is like that. No, they are worthy of God's love. They are a handful out of multi-millions. They are special souls. They are souls who will be victorious. Have this vision. Now change your attitude, vision, and atmosphere. There should be some newness, Should they not? While seeing the weaknesses, do not see it. देखते हुए भी मत देखो. Give enthusiasm and cooperation. Prepare such a Brahmin gathering, and Bab Dada will applaud for that victory. You also repeatedly clap, do you not? Bab Dada will then applaud with congratulations and greetings. You will also applaud with Bab Dada, will you not? You just clapped, and that was good. But there should now be the applause in front of the world. The sound should emerge from everyone's lips. Our special beloved deity has come. Our worthy of worship souls have come. This aim is firm, is it not? Is the aim that you will do it firm? Or will you think about it and make plans, etc.? You have to do it. Put aside the plans. You have to do it. Everyone is now waiting. Now end their waiting. Now make preparations to be revealed. Look, even the elements are so distressed now. So calm down the elements. When they are revealed, they will automatically be world peace. Sorry, when you are revealed, there will automatically be world peace. Acha. This time too, many new children have come. It is good. Bab Dada is pleased that all the children of the previous cycle who have been hidden away in all corners are coming here. Now, even those who have come late should have the aim that because there is little time left, they can claim a number ahead by making intense effort. The board for too late has not yet been put. The board for late has been put up. Therefore, you can make as much effort as you want and go ahead. Those who have come for the first time, raise your hands. Acha. Out of all of you who raised your hands, you are going to make intense effort, are you not? The time for making slack effort is gone. The time for walking has now gone. It is now the time to fly. So become double light and fly. You can become whatever you want. Do not complain. Baba, you called us later. Even now, you can become double light and fly. Do you have that much enthusiasm? Those who raised their hands, do you have this much enthusiasm? Those of you who have this much enthusiasm to definitely demonstrate this as you make further progress, raise your hands. Bab Dada is giving congratulations in advance. Acha. This time, it is the turn of Gujarat to serve, and it is those from Gujarat who have come to meet Bab Dada. All those from Gujarat, whether you have come for a meeting or to serve, raise your hands. There are many. Very good. You have taken a good chance. Bab Dada says of those from Gujarat, as is the Sindhi saying, those who are at the hearth are in the heart. So, Gujarat is the closest of all. Those who are close are said to be within calling distance. Call out to them and they come. So, Gujarat is ever ready in this way, is it not? Call you at any time. Come and you will come. Will you not? Is it like that? Will you not even stop to think about your family? Will you just come? You are ever ready. It is good. Gujarat was established through the inspiration of Sakar Brahma. It was not those from Gujarat who gave an invitation to Gujarat. It was Father Brahma who opened a Gujarat center. So, Father Brahma's special vision fall on Gujarat, and Gujarat has made effort and opened a good number of centers. How many centers are there? 300 centers and sub centers and 3,000 Gita Patshalas, which is now in today's time has increased multifold. Which zone has the maximum number of centers? Bombay, Maharashtra. Acha. Have those from Maharashtra come? They have not come this time. The maximum number are in Maharashtra. Those from Gujarat are doing good service. There is very good growth in Gujarat. What are you going to do now? There is expansion. You have brought about good expansion. Now, those from Gujarat should prepare number one heads. At the very least, the biggest centers. Those who are the oldest hairs are there anyway, but now make new hairs emerge. Each center should make one hair emerge because only those who are hair quality souls will become beads of the rosary. So you have to prepare the rosary, do you not? The rosary of 16,108 also has to be prepared. If Bab Dada were to ask you to prepare a rosary of 108, could you make it? Could it be made? Dadi should say whether the rosary of 108 can be made. Dadiji said, yes, it can be created. Is it ready? Has the rosary of 108 been made? Yes, Baba, it is ready. Okay, write it down and show it to Baba. If it is ready, that is very good. Congratulations. Okay, is the rosary of 16,000 half ready? Not just half, it is more ready than that. That is good. Look, it has been created in an incognito way, and your Dadi has seen it. It is good. Now, everyone will ask you, is my name in the rosary? It is good. Such good wishes and pure hopes will definitely make it ready. Now that you have all heard this, check yourselves. Am I ever ready for that rosary? Acha. What else are we going to do? Coronary artery disease, CAD group. It is good. This method is spread. The sound is also very good because people see the practical proof and they become well through meditation without any expense. Everyone likes that very much. Now, continue to increase this gradually. They have heard about it. You are doing it, and you are also receiving success and will continue to receive it. So, Babdada is congratulating those who are instruments for this task. It is also reaching the government officially. If you continue to spread it further, the importance of meditation will continue to increase. Babdada likes this method. Acha. Double foreigners. Double foreigners would always be making double effort, would you not? for there not to be any name or trace of the old world or old sanskars. Is the double foreigners doing double efforts? So, are you making such double efforts? Are you at least nod? Those who pay attention to this double effort, raise your hands. Acha. Then revelation will take place abroad. The victory of those who are making double effort will be revealed. Babdada is pleased that double foreigners are moving forward while paying attention to both service and effort. Congratulations for moving forward. But in future, let there be even more intensity in this attention. Whichever center you go to, the atmosphere there should be experienced to be like the atmosphere of Madhavan. Every place should now give the experience of such an atmosphere. Anyone who comes to Madhavan goes back impressed with one thing or another. In the same way, souls who come to you should go back impressed with one thing or another so that they continue to come again and again, so that they continue to move forward. You are paying attention, you are making effort, you have the aim. Now, let people be so impressed in a practical way that no one can stay without coming here and without becoming this. It is good that there are foreigners in every turn. Madhavan looks all the more beautiful because of this. It becomes international. You are victorious, and the tilak of victory should always be clearly visible on the center of your forehead. Now, let the tilak of victory become a little clearer. Anyone who looks at you should see the sparkling tilak of victory. How many times have you become victorious? You have become this many times. You are this now, and you will continue to become this. So may the blessing of being victorious in both things be visible on your face and in your activity. You have intoxication and faith anyway. You have the intoxication, do you not? If we do not become victorious, who else will? You have faith and also intoxication. Now cooperate with one another and hoist the flag of victory in front of the world. The sanskars of the double foreigners are such that whatever you take on, you have to complete it. You do not leave it incomplete. So, in this too, you have to become complete. Is this all right? Is this firm? You are not weak in this, are you? Acha. Nowadays, people in the world are doing two things in particular: exercise and attention to their diet. So, do you also do both these things? What is your exercise? Everyone does physical exercise, but the exercise of the mind is 1 minute to be a Brahmin, then to be an angel, and then to be an angel who is to become a deity. Brahman, so Farishta, so Devta. Just practicing this drill. Continue to constantly perform this drill of the mind. And pure food is the pure thoughts for the mind. If you have wasteful or negative thoughts, then that is impure food for the mind. So let there always be pure food in your mind. You know how to do both? Do you not? For as long as you want, become an embodiment of pure thoughts. Acha, to all the special souls everywhere who have a right to God's love, to those souls who are loving and cooperative with the Father and who will always be cooperative with one another, to the victorious children who put into a practical form the aim: we are victorious and we will hoist the flag of victory in the world, to the children who are equal to the Father and who always remain beyond the attraction of this old world and sanskars, love, remembrance, and namaste from the heart of the Father, the comforter of hearts. From us children, love, remembrance, and lots of love to Bab Dada. Further, Baba is meeting to Dadis. To Dadi ji, you have shared very good news. Speaking to Mohini Ben, it is good. You have come back free. It was easy, was it not? You also have blessings from all the Brahmins. You came back having changed a crucifix into a thorn. Babdada is pleased. You have given good proof of the power of your mind. To Dadiji, you are playing a very good part. Seeing you, everyone remembers the angelic life, to be loving and detached. To the 13 main instrument teachers of Gujarat, you are good Mahavirs. The duty of Mahavirs is to be victorious and make others victorious. All of you are doing good service, and service will continue to take place in the future too. Babdada is pleased to see the zeal and enthusiasm of the children. You are making the sound spread all over Gujarat very well. You will continue to spread it even more. Babdada is seeing all the children as lamps of hope. It is good. The gathering is good. Each one of you has a speciality. Okay? Happy? The one who distributes happiness. Sarla Dadi asked Bap Dada, whom was Dadiji's kept in the rosary? What do you think? Do you think I will definitely be in that? Whatever little still remains, help one another and finish it. All of you are those who will definitely become equal to the Father. What newness should we bring? Asked Sarla Didi. You were told that each center should prepare at least one mic. So next year, bring them here. Come back with at least 21 hairs. Begin to do this. Claim the first number. Everyone is saying yes. You know the qualification of an hair. Do you not? You will make all of them belong to Baba. Will you not? You will not make them belong to you. Will you? Acha. Om Shanti. Let's pause for a few moments and then we can reflect back on the points of the Murli. We can unmute ourselves and share the points of the Murli.
Shanti, am I audible?
Yes, you are. Om Shanti.
Today, Baba says that godly love is altruistic love because only God, the Supreme Soul, is incorporeal and egoless. So, from my side, I try to be a lovely child as well as a child who is merged in love. Om Shanti.
Yeah.
Om Shanti. Sister, I was about to say something like in similar lines. Now that there has been love for the God, now to remain merged in love with God for a long time. I was thinking about how to do this, but Baba has already given several advices regarding this. He said, "Tum hi sang baithu, tum hi sang khaun." So write letters to me, stay in my remembrance, forget the other people. So that is the next Purusharth. That to be merged in love is the next step, and how to do is by remembering Him constantly in all the activities that we do. So that's the take-home point for me.
Yeah, adding on to what Sujata Ben and you just mentioned, by Baba today gives a very beautiful way of distinguishing between what it means to be lovely and what it means to be merged in love. And the moment we are experiencing and doing Purusharth towards being merged in love, then being in soul conscious form and giving support, which Baba brings in another point in the Murli today, that with love and being merged with in Baba's love is where we would be able to give support to other souls. And he also further says that uh, we will not see the weaknesses. बुराई को देखते हुए भी नहीं देखोगे. So that was a point that touched me while I was reading this Murli. Thanks for bringing that, Vinod Bhai.
Om Shanti, very good morning to everyone. Like Baba said, don't see any weaknesses, but encourage them. See the good qualities in them and encourage them, uplift them. So that was my takeaway. Thank you.
Shanti, am I audible?
Yeah, very well said, Anshu Ben. Just to add on, Baba mentioned that बुराई को तो देखना नहीं है, weakness को भी देखना नहीं है, but what are we supposed to do? Not to see is one thing, but Baba is giving the next step, that stand there in generosity, give that love, that power with our own virtues to the other soul and lift the other soul. Thanks for bringing that point, Shanti. Yeah, Sandhya Ben.
Om Shanti. Am I audible, sister?
Yes, you are.
Okay, because all these times I was not audible, I think. Okay. I like the point where Baba said today, always be loving and cooperative with everyone. So this is called being equal to Baba. And he also says, do not just, do not just slack or walk. It's the time to fly and become double light. And it is the time to show the tilak of victory more clearly. Om Shanti.
Yes.
Om Shanti.
Yeah, Bhavana.
Yes, today Baba said that we are master almighty authorities, and if you won't do it, then who else will do it? And today Baba also said that we have to make such an environment of love and cooperation that everyone should feel to come to the center, and they should have a feeling of Madhuban from that. So it is our responsibility to create an environment now. Om Shanti.
Yeah, and Baba gives the same suggestion to double foreigners, that even anybody who comes to centers abroad should have the experience of their being in Madhuban. Yeah. True.
And Bamboo has also said that do not just give messages through your words, but give the gift through your benevolent attitude, feelings, and atmosphere.
Yeah. What is Baba talking today with respect to leakages, and which are those two leakages that he's speaking? Would anybody like to answer?
The two leakages were the remembrance of the old world and also of the sanskars, our old sanskars. These two leakages cause sorrow.
Okay. What else that he added on this? Would anybody like to elaborate that?
That if you are, these leakages cause you to labor in whatever you do. So the main causes of leakages leads to laboring. So if you prevent these two, then you will not be able to labor. You will not be required to labor.
True, but which are these two leakages? He's elaborated these two leakages today. Would you
Om
want to?
Shanti.
Yes,
Om
Anjali.
Shanti. Baba said that attraction to old world, that is the material and the relationships. This is one of the leakage, right?
Yeah. So apart from old sanskars, he's speaking about attraction towards old relationships and the old world. True.
Yeah, yeah.
Madhuban, in the Bhai, anything for you?
Shanti Didi, I was listening to the points actually. Just now I've joined because I was reading Murli on conference. So I got free from there, then I joined late. Sorry.
Okay. Harpreet Ben, in the Bhai.
Om Shanti. Baba still today just especially in message that 2005's this thing that time also Baba told you are not late, too late. Late board has shown that, but too late is not. So we have to make intent effort for that. So everyone has to take that point that how much we are doing the Purusharth nowadays. Om Shanti.
Yeah. And repeatedly, Baba is mentioning this 2004, 2005 Murli said, pay attention towards the speed of your Purusharth, speed of your efforts. Let it be more than the time and let not the time just run away.
Om Shanti, sister, and thank you, Baba. Today, actually, I was more in the silence mode, just listening, and I think it's time for me, at least, to focus much more on becoming egoless completely, and just surrender and let Baba's love enter not only me and everyone else around me. So, with that spirit, I just want to continue with the prayers. Om Shanti.
Om Shanti.
Today, Baba also said that love is very important for the Brahmin life, and also, yes, it is impossible to enjoy the Brahmin life without love, and it will become dry. So we have to surrender our ego, body consciousness. Om Shanti.
Yeah.
Yes, Sister Baba says something about diet and exercise. So as we do exercise for the body, we will have to do the exercise of mind. That is from becoming Brahmin to angel and angel to Devta. So that's the exercise for the mind. And the diet for the soul is having pure thoughts. As we do not take stale food, so does the negative thoughts and negative feelings should not be carried out. Having pure thoughts would be a good meal to the soul.
Very nice, Vinod Bhai. And with that note, let's take this as an homework. The way we practice diet and physical exercise. What Baba mentions today is to have a mental exercise and the diet of of our mind to have powerful thoughts. Let's practice this for the whole day and have a check on the same. There's a message on the chat where Ritika Ben says, do not give teachings, but give loving cooperation. Also, do not step away. Give a hand of cooperation, and it will become rosary of victory. Yeah, very powerful point. You know, in Lokik world, I'm sure each one of us may have this experience. Either we have done it or somebody else have done it with us. Looking at the weaknesses around, we move away from that soul, or we move away from that person. Ye to aisa hi hai, and we just make our own judgment. Then today Baba is talking about letting go of those thoughts and just be loving and cooperative, like the way Baba has been generous for everyone. Thanks for bringing that point, Ritika. Then.
Rakib, and hope everyone is done with their sharing. Then can we move towards meditation?
Yes, Sami Ben, can you just play some soft music? And what we will do today in meditation is we would experience 2 minutes to 3 minutes silence and experience the 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 world of being merged in God's love and reflect on the points of what Baba is talking about, what it means to be being merged in Baba's love. Om Shanti.
Thank you, Rakiben. Thank you, all of you, and see you tomorrow at 5:30 a.m. Have a nice day. Om Shanti.
Shanti. Thank you, sister.
Sister.
Om Shanti.
Thank you, Shanti.